Just because your little dog is annoying as shit doesn't mean you have to get rid of it. All you need to do is teach him some fucking manners. A lot of these little dogs are some little baby Cujos that will bite a child, who will be impulsive and bark at everything, and you just need to train your little dogs too. If you just do 15 minutes a day of training, you don't have to have a little badass dog that's acting all crazy every time your friends come over, and you have to blame the fact that he's just a little dog. Down. Break. Little dogs are no different than big dogs. Why do big dogs get in trouble for being aggressive and little dogs get away with all the bullshit?